Wang Yibo is a Chinese actor, singer, dancer, and professional racer. He is a member of the South Korean and Chinese boy band UNIC along with Cho Soon-yeon, or also known as Woods. Previously, Wang Yibo had been partnered with being the global brand ambassador for Xiaomi Redmi in 2019. Now his name is back in collaboration with Redmi. Not only that, Wang Yibo is also the designer for the latest series output of the special version of the Redmi smartphone. In addition to being a brand ambassador, Wang Yibo is also entrusted as a global spokesperson for Redmi smartphone products. Adapting from Weibo Yibo Official, on October 28, 2021, Wang Yibo attended a press conference for the launch of the new Note 11 series. 3 smartphone models were born from this series, including the Redmi Note 11, Note 11 Pro, and Note 11 Pro Plus. Referred to as Wang Yibo's influence, the Redmi Note 11 series managed to sell more than 500,000 units after an hour of its exclusive launch. It didn't stop there, Wang Yibo was also given the opportunity to launch the limited edition Redmi Note 11 series, which was designed directly by the actor. The actor admitted that Redmi contacted him to design a smartphone with a more trendy model. He also decided to give a sci-fi holographic impression in the design of the Redmi smartphone, which is scheduled to go on sale on November 11, 2021. The Redmi Note 11 Yibo design certainly doesn't have an ordinary model. This smartphone has a 3-dimensional Redmi brand logo. Talking about a special design, of course, it is not far from the identity of the actor, who is also known as a professional racer. On the back of the smartphone there is a motorcycle track. Not stopping, Redmi continues to pamper fans by providing other special ornaments, namely near the 3-dimensional brand there is the actor's signature green, as the actor's favorite color was born in 1997. Fans will also get a gift box inside the box, namely an exclusive nameplate and a customized phone case. This limited edition series is equipped with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Using a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen, Dimensity 920 CPU, 4500 mAh battery capacity, and 120-watt super fast charging. With super fast charging, the smartphone is claimed to be able to fully charge in just 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the price is $422 or 2699 yuan, equivalent to 6 million Indonesian rupiahs or 31,000 Indian rupees.